In this video series, we will complete a Revit project in 12 easy steps. Please subscribe to our channel for future updates. We have created our 9-inch thick brick wall family in our previous video. Now let's select our wall. Go to Architectural ribbon and click on the Wall button. Once we select our wall, we can see that our ribbon has changed. Now it describes as Modify, Place Wall. This options bar have appeared on our screen. Now let's explore the options here. We want to create a wall in height. There are 2 floor plans in Project Browser, and we are working in level 1. So we will create a wall from level 1 to level 2. Now we will change this draw option from line to rectangle. When we bring our cursor on the rectangle icon, Revit will show its brief usage. Now click on it and draw a rectangle of 20 feet by 30 feet on our level 1. Now zoom on in it and click on the wall on the left. These temporary dimensions will appear on screen. To change the dimensions from center to center, we will click on the blue dots. It will automatically change the position from center to edges. Now click on the text to edit dimension length. Now type in 30 feet. The wall will automatically adjust. You can also click on this small icon. To make this temporary dimension permanent, now repeat the steps in other direction. Now our room of 20 feet by 30 feet is ready. To see how does it look, we will click on this small Home button on Quick Access toolbar. Or we can click on View ribbon and find this default 3D view. This is our room in 3D. We can change the visual style. We will change it from hidden lines to realistic. You can see brick pattern is applied on the walls. In the next video, we will see how we can change the height of our room. What do you think about the video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.